Well, hello, and I'm back here with another exciting recipe. This one comes from this book, Southern Living 1990 Annual Recipes. I actually got this book from my friend Justina at Justina's Country Kitchen, and it is 1 year's worth of unusual recipes. Well, it's June now, so I checked the June section of the book, and I found a fun recipe that I'm gonna be making today. It's called sweet and sour burgers. And basically it's a burger with a special sweet and sour sauce that involves sauerkraut and cranberry sauce. Let's try it. Grab a saucepan, a can of sauerkraut, drained. I need a ½ cup of whole berry cranberry sauce, a 1/4 cup of chili sauce, a 1/4 cup of water, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and then simmer it a little bit. Let's make some burgers. We'll start with an egg, a little water, and a pack of onion soup mix. I'm gonna whisk that together. I'm gonna let this sit to the side for a few minutes. I'm gonna need about 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of ground beef added to that. Incorporate that all together, and then we're gonna form and cook some patties. I'm serving it on a toasted onion roll. Let's add that sauce. Very slimy. Let's taste this sweet and sour burger. The cranberry sauce pops the most, and then I notice the sauerkraut. It's really fun, and it's a burger I'd recommend to you. It's great trying new things. You can too. Thanks for watching. Why do ducks have tail feathers? To cover their butt quacks.